Today we are featuring a certified 2014 Honda CR-V EX. It's got 31,000 miles on it. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. All right, it's taffeta white in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way up the driver's side here. Everything's in really good shape. It is an all-wheel drive. All right, it does have the rear backup camera. It is also equipped with the sunroof as well. Give you a shot of that real quick. And we'll get you another shot of it when we get inside the vehicle. Passenger seat, or passenger side of the CR-V, fantastic shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the brown and light tan two-tone door panel. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have the beige cloth. Driver's seat's in good shape. There's your sunroof. Let's go ahead and open that up for you. Okay. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. All right, no problem there. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. All right, it does have a, if you slide this center console open here, and inside you'll find the USB connection, power outlet, and auxiliary plug. You got your cup holders and another power outlet there. Okay, it is an automatic. Got your climate control center there, AM/FM CD player there, and your display with the backup camera will be there, and I'll show you that in a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth, and your Econ button there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 31,585 miles. Now that we got it started up, there's your display screen there. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. I'll go ahead and dim that down just a bit for you so you can see it a little better. There you go. AM/FM CD, climate control. AC is already blowing cold. Not a problem at all there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Two-tone door panels back here. Everything looks good. Carpet back here, nice and clean. Cloth seats are in fantastic shape. Not a thing wrong with them. Center console. The cup holders. Give you a driver's eye view there of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the back. All right, carpet back here looks good. Got the sunshade here as well. Spare tire. Hey, and these handles right here, pull those handles, back seats go down. Pull this handle, back seats go down. Okay, you can see how much it really opens it up back here. All right. And that seat right there was just getting caught on the seat belt there. It'll come right down, but show you how to get these back up. Really light but durable. You just push the seat down right there. Same thing for this side, and see, just the seat belt. The seat will go down. Okay, and then just simply pull it straight back up. Put the seat back down. Good to go. Check out the wheels and tires. Size we got here, 17-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. Still see the writing on them there. Okay, 2014 certified Honda CR-V EX, 31,000 miles on it. Clean as could be on the inside and the outside. All right, CARFAX, clean CARFAX One-Owner vehicle here. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.